Here we are given a parallelogram ABCD. The line segment DE bisects angle D, which means if this much is theta, then this will also be theta. Now what we need to find is this angle here. We will consider the quadrilateral ABEF and try to find the other three angles. So what else is given? This angle here is 110. What do we know about the angles of a parallelogram? The adjacent side, the sum of the adjacent sides is 180 degrees. But then here we see this is 110. So angle D is 70 degrees, which means theta, the half of angle D, theta is what? It is 35 degrees. Now consider the triangle DEC. How many angles do you know? We already know 110, and now we found out that the theta is 35 degrees. Then what about the third angle? We know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, which means this angle is 110 plus 35. So this angle here is a 35. Now what you see here is a straight line, which means it forms a linear pair. The sum of these two angles is going to be 180 degrees, which means what? Angle BED is 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, 145 degrees. So the angle that you see here is 145 degrees. Again, you have a straight line here, which means what? It makes 180 degrees. What you see here will be a linear pair. And 90 degrees here means what? Again, a 90 degrees here. So for this quadrilateral ABEF, we have got two angles. What about the third angle? What do we know about the angles of a parallelogram? The adjacent sides, the sum of the adjacent sides is 180 degrees. Here C plus D is 180 degrees, C plus B is also 180 degrees, which means angle B plus angle C is 180. So therefore angle B is 70 degrees there. So here we have the quadrilateral ABEF. The sum of the angles is 360 degrees. So what all do we know? We need to find this angle. This angle here is a 70 degrees. Here you have a 145 degrees, and here you have a 90 degrees, which means the answer that you are looking for is 55 degrees. This much is 55 degrees. So that is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.